Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Focus MK3 generation 2012-2013, and whether you have the sedan or the hatchback, the video will be helpful to both of you. So we will show you if your rear power windows do not work, which fuse to check. So you have two options now. The more loaded cars like the titanium, I think, and the SCL, they might have control modules for the doors, and it will be a different fuse which will be located in the trunk of the vehicle. For this one here, okay, for most Focuses will be a fuse that's under the hood actually, for both rear power windows. So in the meantime guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos, and if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below the video and we'll try our best to make a video for your problem. So the first step will be open the hood, second locate your fuse box, okay, the one right here, and right here there is one clip that we need to pull towards the back to pull the fuse box out. Okay, like that. Okay, here you need to grab and pull. You can see this is the clip. Pull it like this one. On the back side you can see you can find the numbers for your fuses. So let me get a screwdriver, okay, to show you which fuse will be removing now. I want to recommend using a screwdriver, okay, but this one will be the easiest for us to do. The fuse puller doesn't work on the big ones, it's really hard to use. On the small fuses you can use your fuse puller and it's super convenient. So we need to locate fuse number 14. Okay, and you can see right here we have fuse number 14. Okay, this rectangle here, the second row, okay, the third fuse from top to bottom. So we're talking about this 25 fuse, okay, right here. Usually you can see the elements inside this copper element. You have two of them, if they're burnt or not, but we'll show you how to test them just to make sure it's not bad, because sometimes you cannot see them. What I usually do, okay, I come with a screwdriver a little bit here and gently pry up. Careful not to damage your fuse box or not to damage the fuse next to it. Okay, you can see it moved up quite a bit, so we're about to pull it in a little bit. Okay, all the way. Those are really hard to remove. So if I grab it with my fingers, I might be able to pull it out the rest of the way. Check out the element inside. Okay, one copper element here and one on the other side. It looks fine. Let me show you how we are going to test it quick. Okay, I have the voltmeter here. We're going to set it to continuity, and if the fuse is burnt, this thing will stay on 1. Okay, if the fuse is good, means that there is connection. It's like touching these two LEDs. It's going to show close to 0 and we'll hear a beep. So let me show you now. Okay, one post here, the other one over there. Listen now. Our fuse is good, guys. So this is the fuse for the rear power windows on that Focus, guys. Installing it, you just get it in, push it down, make sure you get your cover installed, and this one will be, guys, the whole procedure. Please hit that subscribe button and see you guys. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.